Now this was the age of socialism in Europe. You see that socialism was spreading far and wide, and socialism, as you all know, again is against all kind of private property. So various socialists had different visions of socialism. There were some like Robert Ounce, who was a great industrialist. He believed that actually cooperatives should be formed by the people in order to bring about true socialism. But there were others like Louis Blanc, who believed that individual efforts in making cooperatives will not solve the problem. It has to be government's initiative that actually we will have true socialism. Then there was Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels, who believed that all industrial societies are capitalist in nature, and the capitalist, that is the person who has actually made industries and factories, his sole motive is just profit and profit alone. He wants to take out more and more. That is why the condition of the workers is very, very sad here. He said that all the factories and industries need to be socially controlled in order to have a true socialism. So there were different visions of different socialists in different areas. Now how did the support of socialism start in the world? First of all, an international body of the socialists was formed, which was called as the Second International. Then in Germany, the socialists, they sided with the Social Democratic Party there and helped them in gaining more seats. Then at England, the socialists formed the Labour Party. Then in France, they formed the Socialist Party. But you see that till 1914, the socialists alone could not form any government in any part of the world. It was just the radicals, the liberals or the conservatives who actually ruled the world. So there was a long way still to go when the socialists would actually have the power in their hands. And I continue with it in the next clipping.